poems and stories. So the first one up tonight is Margaret Kerr. By a nice surprise for Margaret, because she's never used the first up. And she's going to tell us something that maybe you ladies will care about.
It's Grannie's Clootie Dumplin. Well, first, you gather together all your grief. Upon a self-raising floor, a quarter pun of suet, and he's so margarine there either. Upon a currant, a bun for raisin, a quarter pun of granulated sugar, flour wee teaspoon of mixed spice, a big pinch of salt, and some malt. Now, if you're going to be a bit fancy, you could row up some wee 5-pence pieces in greaseproof paper and put them in and all, but that's it. You'll need 2 decent-sized basins or bowls, a kettle of boiling water, the biggest pot you've got in the house, and a scarlet tea towel, or a muslin square will do. What have you to do? Roll up the ale gin bang low in one of your bowls. Add a wee tea to the milk so that the dough's no too runny, just stiff. Tim some of the boiling water out of the kettle into the other basin. Spread the cloth out it on top of that water. Then count the ale of your dough out into that bowl on the cloth in the basin. Draw the corners of the cloth together. Tie with a string. Didn't tie that string too tight though, but when the dumpling swells up, you'll be an awful mess. Now you've got this big ball of dough about the size of it. Next, you put a plate in the top of your big pot. Then, very gently, lower your dumpling onto the plate. After that, you pour as much of your boiling water into the pot as will cover the dumpling. After all this carry on, you'll maybe want a wee cup of tea and a wee bit of shortbread, or maybe even a wee lie down. Anyway, whatever it is you do, dinna let that dumpling dry out. Whatever you do, don't let it dry out. It's to simmer for 3.5 hours. After that time, wake it out of the pot onto a nice warm plate. Peel off the clout, and then you have a dish that's set before a dozen of the Egon Roney thingamajigs. Enjoy.
Now, the most important thing with that recipe there is that you don't turn it. If you didn't tweak it, it's not going to taste so.